Song Hye-kyo, born November 22, 1981, is a South Korean actress. She gained international popularity through her leading roles in the television dramas Autumn in My Heart 2000, All in 2003, Full House 2004, That Winter, The Wind Blows 2013, Descendants of the Sunday 2016, Encounter 2018 to 2019, and The Glory 2022 to 2023. In 2017, Song ranked 7th in Forbes magazine's Korea Power Celebrity 40 list and 6th in 2018. Her film work includes Hwang Jin-yi 2007, The Grandmother 2013, My Brilliant Life 2014, and Dark Nuns 2025. She is referred to as one of the Troika, along with Kim Tae-hee and Jun Ji-hyun, collectively known by the acronym Tae-hi-ji. The success of Song's television dramas internationally established her as a top Hallyu star. When Song was born, she was so ill that her parents and doctors did not think that she would survive. Upon her recovery, Song's parents registered her birth on February 26, 1982, instead of her actual birth date, November 22, 1981. Song's parents divorced when she was a young girl, after which she was raised by her mother. They moved from her birthplace in Daegu to the Gangnam district in Seoul, where she trained as a figure skater in elementary school but quit when she was in the 8th grade. Song considered herself shy and introverted, but when she attended Ua Girls High School, she was described by her high school teacher as having a cheerful character. She mixed well with her friends and was always in a bright mood. Song Hye-kyo attended Sejong University, where she majored in film arts. In the media, Song Hye-kyo is widely recognized as one of South Korea's most iconic actresses. Following her breakout performance in Autumn in My Heart, Song received the KBS Drama Awards Popularity Award and Photogenic Award in 2000. The series' melancholic tone and high ratings marked a new era in melodramatic storytelling, with Song praised for her poignant, emotional delivery. Due to her consistently acclaimed performances and public appeal, Song was considered part of the elite Tae-hi-ji trio, alongside Kim Tae-hee and Jun Ji-hyun, who are widely regarded as the epitome of beauty and talent in Korean entertainment during the 2000s. Song has also been celebrated for her timeless beauty, versatile acting, and significant influence in the fashion and beauty industries. In a January 2025 interview, Song said she is grateful for the Tae-hi-ji label, but feels newer actors should inherit it, adding that she prefers to be recognized for her acting rather than her looks. On July 5, 2017, Song and Descendants of the Sun co-star Song Joong-ki announced through their respective agencies that they were engaged. They married in a private ceremony on October 31, 2017, at Yeongbingwon Hotel Shilla in Seoul, amid intense media interest across Asia. The ceremony was attended by the couple's closest family and friends, including actors Lee Kwang-soo, Yoo-yeon, and Park Bo-gum, who also played the piano at the reception. On June 27, 2019, Song Joong-ki revealed that he had filed for divorce with Song Hye-kyo the previous day. The divorce was finalized in July 2019. On July 25, 2019, Song Hye-kyo filed a complaint against 15 online netizens for spread of false information, defamation of character, and insult. In August 2014, following inadvertent exposure by a politician overseeing the administration of the National Tax Service of South Korea, Song made a public apology for committing tax evasion when she claimed undocumented expenses. In response to allegations that she had underpaid income tax from 2009 to 2011 totaling to $0.56 billion, she argued that her accountant had mishandled her paperwork without her knowledge. After receiving notification from the NTS in October 2012, Song paid the tax balance due plus understatement of income tax penalties in the aggregate of $3.8 billion to $0.76 million United States dollars. Song was again billed another $700 million in April 2014 against her 2008 tax filing, a result of the legally required 5-year audit neglected since the 2012 notification. From 2001 to 2005, Song became a model and endorser for Etude House, being their longest-serving model during that time. In 2008, Song was chosen as by Laneige to be its global brand ambassador. In December 2017, Song was named as brand ambassador for Solwasu, a South Korean luxury skincare subsidiary brand of Amaret Pacific Corporation. In 2018, Song became the Asia-Pacific brand ambassador of the luxury heritage jewelry house for Chomet. Since 2024, she was named as global ambassador for Chomet along with Cha Yoon-woo. In 2021, she became the first Korean brand ambassador of the Italian fashion house Fendi. In January 2025, Song was selected as the first Asia-Pacific skincare and makeup ambassador for French luxury beauty house Guerlain. Song frequently makes large charitable donations. In October 2013, Song donated 1,000 tickets to the Bizen International Film Festival for the underprivileged young people in the Bizen area. In July 2014, Song purchased 800 tickets for the Seoul International Women's Film Festival and donated them to the Korean Psychological Association and the Magdalena community. In December 2016, Song made a donation to the Beautiful Foundation to be used for educational support projects for low-income students who dream of becoming design experts. In July 2017, Song donated 100 million won to Seoul National University Children's Hospital. In March 2022, Song donated 100 million to Korean Red Cross to help the victims of the massive wildfire that started in Uljeon, North Gyeongsang Province, and has spread to Samcheok, Gangwon. Song Hye-kyo on life in her 40s, inner strength and ambition. I have no fear of aging, the South Korean star says she now puts herself first. From the breezy charm of Full House in 2004 to the haunting intensity of Dark Nuns, Song Hye-kyo's career has been a captivating roller coaster of diverse roles. A director, a lonely heiress, a cheerful surgeon, she's done it all. In a recent interview with Vogue Hong Kong, the South Korean star shared how she constantly challenges herself and how she would love the chance to work in the light romantic comedy genre. If there's a realistic and witty comedy that suits someone in their 40s, I would love to try it, she says. When asked if her 40s have been better than her 20s, Hye-kyo shared, "I've gone through my 20s and 30s to become who I am today. We all grow old together, so I have no fear of aging." She adds, "Of course, since I have such a visible profession, I try hard to manage it." To be honest, I don't really have any ambition. I value the present more than the past or future. I want to work hard on everything I've been given and live wisely, says Hye-kyo. Her perspective on strength has evolved over time. Hye-kyo explains, "I used to live under the gaze of others. My friends and family always came first. As long as they were happy, I'd be happy too. But at some point, I realized I had never put myself first. I thought, let's put me first, no matter what. After that, I felt more centered in everything I do." She says, embracing herself has brought a sense of calm, and she can approach others in a far more relaxed way. "I've become stronger on the inside," she says. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.